if you get a black screen on your MacBook, there are a few things you can do. First, please don't panic, and second, please be very, very patient. This is what I did, and it fixed my computer. It may fix yours too, I don't know. So the first thing you do, unplug everything, okay? Nothing should be connected to your laptop. And then press these keys, Command, Option, Shift, and power button all at the same time, okay? Command, Shift, Option, and power button all at the same time for 10 seconds. And actually count 1, 2, 3 to 10, okay? That 10 seconds will come very handy. After that, what you need to do is, see, when you want to plug it in, never first plug this one in and then try to connect a connector to your computer. It is going to harm your computer. So first connect a connector, always. First connect a connector and then plug it in. Okay. Then you want to come back to your computer and try to turn it on. If it did turn on, fabulous. If it did not, wait for 10 seconds. Actually count from 1 to 10 before pressing the power button again, okay? So let's see. We're counting. Don't count and press again. See? Comes up. Now, if it got stuck on the loading bar, you have to wait for the loading bar to get completed. Then turn it off. Press and hold the power button, turn it off, and then wait for 10 seconds, turn it on again. It will usually come up. Okay, when you see that, also you can just turn off. Okay, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press the button again. Wait. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Wait for it. Okay, so it comes up. So when it comes up, pay attention to your time and date here. Make sure your time and date is correct. Log into your computer. I don't want to log in right now, but log into your computer and make sure the time and date are correct. Sometimes the computer gets restored on another date, and that is why your computer will not boot. Always when you're trying to shut down your computer, make sure your date and time are correct. When you manage it up to this level and are able to log in, make sure to clean your browser history, get rid of any files that you don't need so your computer can kind of refresh. And then before shutting it down, make sure your date and time are correct. It usually works.